Hey guys, I'm back. So today I'm going to show you how to download Photoshop Touch for free on your Android. So first you want to go in any browser. I recommend Google or Chrome. Then you type in PS Touch. APK. So that's what a lot of you would type in. And as you can see, there's a lot of links, but none of them work. I tried all of them. So then you go PS Touch APK, and then you just add a word here. And boom, like all of the versions from their website work. Yeah, and that's good. So once you download it, like you go here, you just click on what version you want. It should show you a captcha, so it knows that you're not a robot. I hope it's no, it doesn't. Okay, shit. And that's it, I think. And yeah, see, you just want to press OK. As you see, it's recording. There's recording and there's downloading. And as you can see, it's downloading. Then you just click on it. It's going to see. So PS Touch. I'm going to translate this to you because I'm from Croatia. Do you want to Azure upgrade your application? Your files won't be missed. And then just you click on install, but I won't because I already have a better version, so I'm not going to click. And once you install it, it should be somewhere in your, I don't know, like wherever you have your, apps and everything, and then you should find it. And what it should say is PS Touch. Then you just click on it, and I'm going to make sure it works again because I can never be too sure, right? So then I click the image with the plus, blank document, OK. Then I just do something. Let's just do this. What is it? Okay, I don't know why is this happening, but it's wrong. Actually, yeah. Then you click on it. You write your text. And then quiz. Let me smarten it up a bit, just so you can fit the screen. And voila, I just click save, done, save, and boom, it saved it. Usually all the others won't save your work, it will just scrap it or something. So yeah, that should be it for this video, and see you in the next one. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.